In the heart of State College, there's a place I know. 117 Beagle Run, where the garden flowers grow. A single story crafted fine, with walls that warmly glow. Come step inside, feel the peace, let the world go slow. Oh, this house is a haven under clear blue skies. Ranch-style living where comfort never dies. In Hunter's chase of community so tight, this home's ready to make your day so bright. Hardwood floors beneath your feet and countertops that shine. Open spaces call you to unwind. Master suites, a retreat, just close the door behind. Find tranquility, leave your cares behind. Two-car garage and basement wide, potentialized beneath. Garden views from the yard, breathe in the glory. Gas heat warms the winter nights, cool breezes in the summer. Every corner built just right, each season's own charmer. Oh, this house is a haven under clear blue skies. Ranch-style living where comfort never dies. In Hunter's chase, where dreams come alive. Step through the door, let your dreams thrive. So if you're looking for a place where your heart can truly dwell, 117 Beagle Run, a story to tell. A backdrop for your life, in a home that's set to please. Come find your peace in this State College.